broker. I'm from Sydney, but I can serve. Hi, how are you? Start again. My name is Saul. I'm a mortgage broker. I'm from Sydney, but I can serve anyone anywhere in Australia. Um, yeah, this video is about, interest rates are increasing lately, and what's good. What do I think is gonna happen to the rate in the next half of the 2021 and 2022 and beyond. This is not financial advice, okay? I'm a mortgage broker. I'm just sharing you what I know, okay? Every it it's just a general sharing. It's for education purpose and it's not a financial advice, okay? So yeah, what I'm seeing, I heard from industry expert that low interest rate might be over. Fixed rates already increased, minimum 0.2%, lately past a couple of weeks, because the rates that banks are getting, cheap rate that banks are getting will expire yesterday. So they increase, they will start new contract today more expensive. So they sell the rate more expensive, okay? So fixed rate already increased, and variable, RBA was saying variable rate will stay low for next a year or two, but then big banks are saying it'll go up. Because we at the bottom, we never know, it could go up. Variable rate hasn't been up yet, but it could go up because property price are too hot now, and um you know and Australian economy is good, so the rate has to go up, otherwise people keep buying more and getting hotter and hotter, and economy is also good. So the rate, last time the interest rate increased by 0.25% was 10 years ago, Alan. The rate was very low for the past 10 years, okay, Alan. อาจารย์ดูละ The rate was very low for the past 10 years, okay. It used to be 4.75% down to 0.1%, so I don't think the rate can be held for that low for too long, okay. So the last 12 months has been very cheap. Like, can't stay forever, because our parents' time the rate were like 10%, 70%, so but the way we can control the rate going up is by fixing your loan, okay. So but don't go to the bank, ask for fixed rate. Talk to us first. Our service is free, so we can get you cheapest fixed rate, and we can show you how to ask the bank for cheapest fixed rate, because you don't know what is the cheapest out there, but we know, and our service is free, okay. But disadvantage of fixed rate are, example, if you fix it for 2 years and you sell the home or you move to another bank, that's fine, okay. So you only fix it for the period that you don't think you will sell the home or you will move to another bank. People don't usually move. When did you change your mobile provider? You don't even change your mobile provider. You don't usually change bank, but then your circumstances might change and you might sell the home. I don't want you to get caught. So whatever I help you with, I let you know positive and negative so you can choose. It's all about having a choice. We in democratic country, okay? Um so and fixed rate, you can't pay too much extra. You can't pay back too much extra. So if you ask me to fix your loan, I ask you how much extra repayment do you do for the next 2 years. If you say 50,000, I'll leave 50,000 as variable and fix the rest. So you get the best of both worlds. Fixed rate is cheap, variable, so you can pay it off quicker. you know so come to us. Our service is free. We know how to structure it so it'll help you best, rather than you just stuck with the fixed loan that if your circumstances change. Everybody's circumstances change quite often. We all human, and you get caught, and you are up for too much fine. Okay. Yeah, I hope this helped you. If this helped you, please share it. Please like and share it. I ask you. All my contact details are in the post. If you share it to your friends and they come to me and they tell me that they found out from you, and I'll give you and your friend travel voucher with no expiry. They're worth $600 to $1,000 each. Okay. May you have a good day, good night, next good days to come. Thank you very much. Bye.